Before we get started with this Java training, we need to install some softwares. So in this video, we are going to do the setup for our Windows PC. So what do we really need in order to get started? So to begin our Java development, the first thing that we need is the JDK. Now the JDK stands for the Java Development Kit. So it is basically a complete kit for the Java development, and it basically provides the software development environment for developing the Java applications. Now, in order to use this JDK, we need some platform where we can write our Java code. So for that, in this course, we are going to use the Intellij IDE. Now, what do we mean by Intellij IDE? It is basically the integrated development environment for creating the softwares that uses the JDK. Now this JDK is the same JDK that we discussed here. So the Intellij IDE simply uses the JDK in order to create the Java application. So one by one, let us install these two softwares. So first, we are going to install the JDK in our system. Now let us open our browser and simply go to google.com and then search for Java JDK for Windows. It will then show the first link from the oracle.com. Let us open this link, and then it will take you to the official page of oracle.com from where you can download the Java JDK. Now, if you are unable to land on this page, then at the top you can notice this link. Now this link you can get from the helper text which is present right below this video. So make sure you land on this page. Now here, if you notice, we are going to download the Java SE, which stands for the standard edition. So let us open this Java, and there down the side you will find the version of the Java development kit that we are about to download for our Windows operating system. Now, before you download anything, it will ask you to accept the license agreement. So you need to accept it, and down the side you will find two options for the Windows operating system. The first one is for the Windows 32-bit machine, and the second one is for the Windows 64-bit machine. Now, my machine is 64-bit. What about yours? In order to check out if you are using a 32-bit operating system or the 64-bit machine, you need to right click on this PC. So simply right click, go to Properties, and there you will find the 64-bit operating system, or in case you are using the 32-bit operating system, then it will show you the 32-bit operating system. My machine is 64-bit. So I will now download the Java JDK for Windows x64 machine. In case you are using the 32-bit machine, then simply go for this one. Now that we have downloaded the JDK, let us install it in the next. Now after we have downloaded the JDK, simply launch this application by double clicking on it. And now install this Java application like we install any other application in our Windows OS. Hit on next and let it be the default one. And now here it will show you the path where our Java JDK is going to be installed. So again hit on next, and then it will start installing the Java. And then again hit on next. Finally at the end you will get this dialog box. The Java SE development kit so has been successfully installed. Now simply close it. Now in order to check out where your Java has been installed, let us open the File Explorer, inside which let us navigate to the C drive and then Program Files, and inside this folder you will find the Java folder somewhere here. Let us open this Java folder, and there we go. Here, while installing Java, the two folders were automatically created. This is our JDK and this is our JRE. Now, currently, please don't worry about what is JRE. We will talk about it later. But as of now, what we are basically concerned about is that whether our Java has been installed in our system or not. Here I can see two folders created while installing Java. Now in order to verify whether the Java has been installed perfectly or not, let us open the command prompt. So here in the search bar, let us type cmd. While you type cmd, it will show you the command prompt, which is our desktop application. Let us open the command prompt and here type along with me. Simply type JAVAC, that is Java C, and hit enter. Now here if you notice, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, which means that we have not yet perfectly installed Java in our system. That is, we cannot run any Java program inside our system as of now. So for that, we need to configure our Java path. Now in order to configure the Java path, we need to right click on this PC. So simply right click and go to Properties. Now here you will find the Advanced System Settings. Click on it and there you will find the Advanced tab. So simply select the Advanced tab and down the side you will find the Environment Variables option. Click on it and here down the side within the System Variables you will find the Path option. So simply select the path and click on Edit. Now if you notice here, we have already few paths defined. Now all we need to do is tell our system that we have just now installed the Java, which we have stored inside the folder that we saw just now. Now the folder where the Java is installed is present within the C drive, then program files, then Java, and there we go, we have the Java JDK. Now if you open the Java JDK, you will find the bin folder. Now let us open the bin folder again, and there we have this Java application. Now all we are concerned about is the path of the JDK. So at the top, just beside the bin, click here. And there we go, we got the path to our Java JDK bin folder. So let us copy this path and then open this system properties where we want to edit our environment variable. Click on new and then simply paste it here, the path. So see program file Java JDK bin folder. Hit on OK. And now we have successfully set the path to our Java JDK. Now here if you notice, we have some user variable for a particular user that uses your operating system. So here it is showing my name. It might show your own name, right? So inside the user variable, you need to add a new path and just type Java underscore home. Now make sure the Java underscore home are all in capital letter and it is actually separated with the help of a underscore. So Java underscore home, and then as a value you need to again copy the path. Now this time you need to copy the path to the JDK. Fine. So click on JDK 1.8 or something like that, and just beside this click here. It will show you the path to the JDK. Now copy this path and then open this environment variable and paste it here. Right? Click on OK and then click on OK again and then click on OK again. Now let us get back to our command prompt. Now here what I will do, let us close it and open our command prompt again, cmd. Let us launch our command prompt and now this time let us try Java C. And there we go, we have got bunch of output. Now if I type, let's say Java C space minus version and then hit on enter, you will find the Java SDK that will be used to compile any Java program. So currently the Java version is 1.8.0 something like that, right? So now we are good to go. Now that we have installed the JDK in our previous video, Let us now proceed and install the Intellij IDE in our system. So simply go to Google and search for Intellij IDE for Windows. And then the very first link that you will get will be from the jetbrains.com. So let us open this link. And then you will be taken to this page. Now if you are unable to land onto this page, then you will get this link from the helper text that is present just below this video. So all these links will be present in the helper text. And then since I am using Windows, so let us select the Windows, and down the side you will find two editions. The first is the Ultimate and second is the Community Edition. Now the Community Edition is the free edition, and our target for this course can be achieved with the help of Community Edition, that is our Java projects. So let us download the Community Edition. Simply click on download. And then our download will start shortly. Save the file. And here inside the downloads folder, I have simply downloaded my file. So you also do the same, and let us continue with the installation procedure in the next video. And now within the downloads folder, I have this file present, which is our Intellij IDE of the Community Edition. Let us run this file, Intellij IDE. Click on next, and then again click on next. Now let it be the default one, hit on next, and then again install. It will take some time to install the Intellij IDE in your Windows operating system. And now we have successfully completed the setup process. Hit on finish. And now let us launch our Intellij IDE. So for that, let us again go to the search panel and type Intellij, and it will show you the search result as Intellij IDE. Let us click on it. And here the very first dialog box that you will get will be this one. So simply select do not import any setting and click on OK. And then I will select the theme as the white theme. So let us select the Intellij theme, click on next, and then again click on next. And finally you will get start using Intellij IDE. Let us click on this button. And this is our welcome screen of the Intellij IDE. So here I would like to do some initial setup for this IDE. So down the side you will find the configure option. Click on it, and down the side you will find the project defaults, which further will contain the menu of project structure. Click on this project structure. So here inside this wizard you will find the SDK option. Let us add one. Select JDK and then simply navigate to C, Program Files, then Java, then simply select this JDK, right? Click on OK, and then you will be good to go. So here click on Apply and then OK. And now another setting I would like you to do is click on Configure and then go to Settings. So here in this wizard you will find the Appearance and Behavior menu, and inside this menu you will find the System Settings. Simply select it, and there you will find this option, Reopen Last Project on Startup. Simply uncheck it. So make sure you have unchecked this option, right? And now down the side here you will find the Editor menu. Then simply expand it and then go to General menu, within which you will find more options. So again expand it, and there we have the Appearance. Now within the Appearance you will find this option, Show Line Numbers. So make sure it is actually checked. And now After this, down the side, you will find the font. So let us click on it, and there let us increase the font size to, let's say, 17, and also increase the line spacing to, let's say, 1.1, and then click on apply. And now one more setting that I would like you all to do is to simply navigate to the code style. Now inside the code style, you will find the Java option. Now here, make sure you have checked this use tab character and also the smart tabs. These initial settings will really help us when we get started with our Java application development. So here click on apply and then OK. So we are now done with the setup of the Java JDK and also the Intellij IDE. Now that we have installed the Java JDK and also the Intellij IDE with the required settings, we can now move ahead with our first Java application. So in the upcoming videos, we are going to create a very basic Java application inside our Intellij IDE. And I am totally excited for my first Java application. Are you?